You know what is insane and really doesn't make that much sense? Well, I guess it makes a little bit of sense because of muscle memory, but 4 days ago, I was not able to hit 205 for a single on the barbell bench. Today, I not only hit 205, but I hit 215 3 separate times. And it's just insane to me to think about my bench press going up that much in just 4 days. It's 15 to 20 pounds on my 1 rep max in 4 days. And I know a lot of it is definitely the muscle memory coming back because I have been lifting for about 6 or 7 years pretty consistently, and it's all just coming back. Though I honestly thought that 215 and 225 would be further down in a couple months, but honestly 225 looks like it's coming back maybe even in the next few weeks. And I'd like to attribute this strength to my running jacket, because this running jacket is my lucky jacket. I like to wear it on my runs, and it gives me this sensu bean type of feeling, like I can crush the weights, I can run super fast, my stamina is unlimited, and it's just my lucky jacket. And I get asked the question a lot of how much do I weigh, how tall am I? So I'm just gonna put it all out there just in case you're wondering. I am not that big of a person. I weigh 133 pounds and I'm 5 foot, 5 inches and a half. So it's basically 5'6", or that's what I like to tell myself. And my strength primarily comes from my training style. For the past 6 or 7 years, I've mainly been focused, obviously, on strength. I work in hypertrophy, but I don't really like hypertrophy as much as strength, and that's why I'm so compact, as I like to describe myself. And it may look like I'm a little bit bigger than I am, especially on my photos on Instagram, especially on YouTube, but it's just because I am pretty lean right now. I think I'm definitely under 10%, but when you're that lean, your muscles just pop out and you appear bigger than you are. And I get asked this question a lot, and I think people think I am, 145, 150 pounds, but me at 145, 150 pounds, I basically have no abs and I am a little bit thicker. That's definitely on the high side of my bulk, and I'm right around 15% body fat or so at 145, at 150. So I'm not that big of a dude. So if you're wondering, I hope that answers your question. It's been a super busy day, super busy afternoon. I just ran 2 miles, super short run. I'm gonna throw it up here. And I have a super busy day ahead of me, a lot on my plate today, but I wanted to get in this run just in case, just to keep my streak going. Though I still might go on a run a little bit later today, but I'm not 100% sure. Though I just wanted to get it in to really just keep my streak going and just to keep my legs moving. And since the theme of today's video is get to know more about Vince, because I just made it up, and earlier's clip was asking me how tall I am, how much I weigh, a little bit more about me as far as my exercise lifting wise. The most I've ever deadlifted is 415 without a belt, 425 with the belt. The most I've ever squatted is 325. The most I've ever benched is 255. My fastest mile ever was 5 minutes and 30 seconds my freshman year of high school. My fastest 5K, not very fast, it's like sub 22. I remember running a 21-minute 3 mile. So 21-minute 3 mile, I'm not sure of my 5K, I believe it's sub 22. And then my fastest 2 mile is 12 minutes and somewhere in the teens. So just if you're curious to know a little bit more about me. So thanks for tuning in, if you care. You know what? I like this theme, so I am going to roll with it. I'm just going to do a speed round if you care to get to know me just a little bit better. Yes, I wear glasses. I am 28 years old. I grew up in a small town called Galt, California. If you don't know where that is, it's super close to Sacramento, like 30 minutes away. And I actually grew up on a chicken farm, and not like 5 or 10 chickens, more like 20,000 or 30,000 chickens. I am Chinese American. I speak a couple different dialects of Chinese, but it's more like second grade level, if that. I can get by with a conversation. If I was in China, I'd be okay. I wouldn't starve. I could get around, but I definitely, it's not like 100% fluent. So I speak Hakka primarily. I speak a little bit of Cantonese, and I took Mandarin in college for 2 years, studied abroad in Shanghai, in which I stayed there for a semester, and my Chinese got really good. What else? I graduated from San Diego State in 2014 with a double major in Asian Studies with an emphasis in Chinese history, and my other degree is in sociology. So that's a little bit about me. Speed round. Let me know if you have any questions. So thanks for watching. I hope you all enjoyed that video. I appreciate the love and the support, especially since as of this morning, I hit 700 subscribers. And it's just insane to me that 700 people will tune in to what I have to say. Well, I guess it's 699 because I have one account, like a separate account that's also subscribed to my own channel. But regardless, thank you all. I appreciate you all, each and every one of you. If you have any questions, let me know down in the comments below. Would be more than happy to try to answer or to help you out of the best of my ability. So please give this video a thumbs up. It would really help me out. If you haven't already subscribed to my channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button. See you all tomorrow.